Molweni. So I've been getting a lot of complaints and requests for this song, bro.
Afike egoli nemali yomsoko fake igaba njalo uva gogo sami emotion ndibona nawo TikTok now then
Okay, cool. So now I decided to take it upon myself to clarify whatever is behind the song and whatever is behind the reason why I didn't drop. Kutheni lwazi ungadrop? Well, I'm here to answer Louis. So on the song, I'm with my bro Ulisedi, yeah, bro. And right now, Ulisedi, he's doing grade 12. What? Grade 12? What, nigga? The bro is doing grade 12, so obviously ubhizi ziweza sigera Joe, and I don't want to disturb because Lampas grade 12 for me. Yeah, bro, so I don't want to be that bro. Yeah, bro. So the song is not done and I need a verse from here, so for me to get a verse, niggas is good and I'm fully as a studio because we are bad. Yeah, bro. So I need y'all to bear with me. Celine and Jacqueline. I spoke to the bro probably like by the end of November, Joe. Yabona sizobese grand, not end like mid-November. Yabo, we're gonna finish the song and then we're gonna drop immediately on the evening. Yabo, so please bear with me while we wait for the song to drop. I'm dropping as near easily. So stream the new music that's dropping while we wait for the actual crazy thing. I don't even have igama for lengoma, bro. I don't even have a name for this song, but we're gonna see as we go. So all I'm saying is let's wait, bro, for the song to be done and then immediately we'll drop it. But right now, drop the music, stream the music that's out, please. I dropped 2 songs on my birthday. They're doing great on YouTube. Illegal goodbye. I will make sure to stream that. And then what else? Yeah, new music by the end of October. Probably the last Friday, or I will see what I can do. But go stream that. Ithando lodwa ngolwazi. Yo. Ubhuti